Happy National Margarita Day. My name is Angie Teal, the Assistant General Manager here at Tulsa's Cox Business Center. With me here today is Lucas. He is our Retail Food and Beverage Manager and Bar Extraordinaire, and he's going to go over some basic margarita tips today. Lucas, take it away.
All right, well, today we're going to make some margaritas. It's the most sold cocktail in the United States, and we're just going to make a traditional margarita today.
Now, Lucas, are you a salt around the rim type of guy?
I am.
What about on the rocks?
Get your glass salted. This is going to be a margarita on the rocks. First, you got your rock and roll tequila, just an ounce and a half of tequila.
That's an exact measurement.
Yes, exact. A little bit of orange liqueur and sweet stuff.
So this is a better way to make it than just doing some traditional margarita mix, right?
This is just the traditional margarita. Yes, better than just mix.
And the shake is very important as well.
Just pour it over some ice, and after I make a mess.
Perfect, though. Don't forget
There
that
we
white
go.
garnish. Perfect.